We are pleased to show you the 2019 E-Class. Some predict the future. We prefer to build it. The Mercedes E-Class is an impressive ride, very smooth and punchy, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather shift knob, leather-wrapped steering wheel, overhead console, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.